big one.
Yeah.
Trying to get out.
Yeah.
So when hyenas is this,
Yeah.
like coming in.
Wow.
Trying to push.
Yeah. And also like the little one here on his side and that little one's unstable still, so they're vulnerable, aren't they?
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
Not quite. It's shaking its head. It's not out.
You look at that other
The
little
other
one.
one starts to play.
Yeah. Oh, she's
Oh,
out.
go went now.
It's out.
Succeeded. Now they're licking now. Time for licking.
How wonderful. Have you seen before?
Yeah.
Have you
several
seen them?
times,
Yeah. Wow.
They lay down and then some 1-2 minutes before they stand up and
Oh, the other one's gone to it.
Oh, it's trying to stand.
the
Wow,
mom.
how lucky were we to see that? They've all walked away from it though.
Oh, try. The
Oh,
mom.
she's gone back.
The mom was too tired.
Yeah. Very quick labour though.
Yeah.
You can see when they're new, their backs are more curved than straight. The ones that are maybe a day older, their backs are straighter.
Yeah.
Looking at the one, the one that was only just standing up.
Good lady. Well done. Oh, the other one's still there. There's a cord, you can see the cord, mate. Oh, it's up nearly. Wow.
So this licking action, this is the one that make the mama to know that this is my baby.
Baby. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's clever, isn't it?
Yeah. They imprint the smell of their baby in their brain, so
Yeah.
they know that this is.
You too. Yeah.
That's good. That is.
It's up.
Is that, no, not quite. Back feet are up.